Well, Drone Discovery Zone exclusive here. We're visiting the Cheers Bar. Originally called the Bull and Finch Pub, the Cheers Bar is located in the Beacon Hill section of Boston. When the producers of Cheers set out to find the location of the new situation comedy set in a neighborhood bar, they settled on Boston. The Bull and Finch Pub was chosen from the phone book. Cheers ran from September 1982 to May 1993 with a total of 275 half-hour episodes over an 11-year period. The Bull and Finch Pub was officially renamed to Cheers in 2002. This is a recreation of the Cheers set located in the Hampshire house just over top the bar. Yeah, Woody, there's a young Woody Harrelson there. His name was Woody on the show, wasn't it? Yeah. Shelley Long, a young Shelley Long there. Diane. Well, look at that. The actual replica of the set. Sure, it was filmed in California. I watched that show for years. Pretty cool. Dun, 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 dun. See if it looks anything like the TV show. Well, they're playing the music. Listen to that, they're playing the music.
Is this a gift shop? Located in the pub on the first floor.
Please visit our gift shop. Okay, look at this. Here it is. With the Cheers Bar. Oh, this doesn't look like anything like the TV show. How many people have said that to you?
I've heard that.
Yeah. This is cool. We're just visiting in the area, so we had to stop it. All right. So where's Cliff at? How many people have asked for that? Where's Woody at? All right. Very cool. Thank you. Oh, you see, you have some of the actors here. Look. Right up there. There's Sam Malone up there. George Wentz over there. What's his name? Sam Malone? Actor?
Ted Danson?
Ted Danson, yeah. Mental block there. See Shelley Long over there. Oh, that's so cool. I'm going to go into the Cheers gift shop here. Oh, here it is. Here it is, right here. Wow, cool. We got to get something. Cheers to the Bull and Finch. Got a Cheers shirt. What do you think, guys? What do you want to get? We got the bobblehead characters up there. How about a coffee mug? Go for Cheers coffee mug if they have it. You remember the coach?
Yeah.
He passed away, like in the second season, and he had a heart attack, from what I remember. And that's when they brought Woody Harrelson in here to take his place. Yeah, how much are they?
One for 14.
Two for 24. I like the blue. I'll take the blue Cheers one.
What do you think of the one on the far left?
Yeah, I like that one too, actually.
Taking a break?
Taking a break, yeah. Yeah, let's get that one also.
That one too?
Yeah. Thank you.
You got it.
All right, here we go. All right, folks, we just had to stop by this place. We just were dropping our daughter off to college here in Boston. We're from the Philadelphia area. So I just had to see the Cheers bar. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.